Okay, now we're going to look at nominal and effective interest rates. You know, when you go to the bank, they always say, "Oh, you're going to get 12% interest rate." And if they don't say anything, what they're saying is that's the annual rate, and we sometimes call it the nominal rate. That's how much you'd get in 1 year of interest, and that's the number that they're giving you there. So it's quoted. So if you say the bank says 15%. That's the amount you'd make per year. But effective interest rates are a little bit different because you take that nominal rate, if you compound it quarterly, or you compound it every 6 months, or compound it monthly, you actually get better than 15% interest per year. You're getting better than that. It's called the effective interest rate, and that's what we're going to learn about. Here's the formula for it. What you do is you take you take that, say 15%, and you divide by whatever period you're talking about. The number of times, if it's monthly, that's at 12. You take 1 year of interest. So if it's monthly, you'd put 12 and 12. If it's quarterly, you'd put 4 and 4. You work out that interest, and then you subtract 1 from it. See that 1 plus the effective interest rate there? Just remember to take away 1 from 1 year of interest, and you always get your answer. Let's take a look at this here. Convert 18% per annum compounded monthly. Well, all you do is take that 1 year of interest, which is 0.18 over 12, and put that in your calculator. Take away 1, and you get, there it is, as a decimal, 0.19, rounding it off to the nearest tenth. The effective interest rate is 19.6%. That's how it works. What if you had 40,000 Rand for 5 years at 16% compounded monthly? Calculate the future value. What would the value of it be using the nominal rate? Well, there it is. Using the nominal rate, because it's compounded monthly, you divide by 12. It's 5 years, so you go 5 times 12, you put it in, well, there it is. That's how much money you should have. But what's the effective interest rate? You're actually getting better than 16%. How do you work that? 1 year worth of interest, take away 1, you get 0.1722 like this, round it off, and you get, it's actually the effective interest rate is 17.22%. Hey, they didn't round it off, because if you want to show that interest, if you do it yearly, if you use this interest, which is a bit bigger yearly, you'll get exactly the same amount. But you got to use all the decimals. If you round it off, I did it in one question, I rounded off, I was off by hundreds. So you have to use all the decimals. Look at that, 1 plus this new interest rate is a bit eager for 5 years. Look at that. We got exactly the same amount as we did using the compound interest and compounding 60 times. So the interest is a little bit bigger than 16%. In fact, it's over 17, and it gives us the same amount. Oh, that's how these questions kind of work. Just remember, if they ask for effective interest rate, they're taking 1 year's worth of interest, and you take away 1 from it. And you'll get a new interest, which is a little bit bigger than the nominal interest that the bank's saying the yearly interest is. So there you go. Again, here's a whole bunch of questions. Half yearly, this is, if convert the nominal, there's 13%, is a little bit bigger, even half yearly, and then 15% quarterly. Hey, it's even, you get even 15% is almost up to 16% when you compound it quarterly. These are all solutions that come with the slides. If you got a computer at home, you can look at the solutions on your phone or in a tablet, but if you want to run the slides, you need a computer at home. Okay, so there you